Experiencing cooling problems with your Frigidaire JBND-27? This video covers the most common culprits: dirty condenser coils, a faulty evaporator fan, and a malfunctioning air damper. We'll show you how to diagnose and potentially fix these issues to restore proper cooling. These models, common from the mid-2010s to early 2020s, often suffer from these issues after 5 years of use. Your fridge uses a vapor compression cycle. This cycle involves refrigerant changing from gas to liquid to absorb and release heat, keeping your food cold. The condenser coils release heat from the refrigerant to the outside air. The evaporator fan circulates cold air from the evaporator coils into the fridge compartment. The air damper controls airflow between the freezer and fridge sections. A problem in any of these components leads to cooling failure. Keep in mind that most not cooling issues in frost-free fridges are preventable with annual maintenance. Dirty condenser coils prevent efficient heat release. Locate the coils, usually at the bottom or back. Clean them with a vacuum or coil brush. Buildup increases the compressor workload. Clean coils can improve efficiency by 20 to 30%. This simple fix resolves about 70% of cooling issues. The evaporator fan circulates cold air from the evaporator coils throughout the refrigerator compartment. This ensures even cooling in the fridge section. If the evaporator fan fails, the refrigerator won't cool properly. Listen for fan noise when the compressor runs. If it's silent, the fan may be faulty. A common error code like SYEF indicates fan issues. To check the fan, first listen for its noise when the compressor is running. The fan should make a low humming sound. If no noise is heard, test the fan motor with a multimeter. Check continuity across the terminals. An OL reading means the circuit is open and the fan needs replacement. Finally, check for ice buildup around the fan, particularly in frost-free models. Ice can block the fan blades and prevent proper operation. The air damper regulates airflow between the freezer and fridge sections. If stuck open or closed, it causes uneven temperatures. Manually check if it opens and closes freely. A faulty damper solenoid is a common issue in older units. A failing damper will cause a temperature imbalance. Start troubleshooting by checking the power and thermostat settings. Ensure the refrigerator is plugged in and the temperature controls are set appropriately. Inspect and clean the condenser coils. These are usually at the back or bottom of the unit. Remove dust and debris using a vacuum or coil brush to ensure proper heat dissipation. Listen for the evaporator fan. Open the freezer and listen for a quiet running sound. Silence or unusual noise indicates a faulty fan that may require professional repair. Manually check the air damper. This controls airflow between freezer and fridge. Gently move it to ensure it operates freely without sticking. For Wi-Fi-enabled models, use the Frigidaire app for self-diagnosis. It can provide alerts and guide you through checks. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 minutes to perform a reset. This can clear minor glitches and restore normal operation. If an error code appears on the display, such as SYEF, refer to the Frigidaire user manual for specific troubleshooting steps and recommended actions. DIY repairs can save significant money, with average savings of $200 to $400 compared to professional service. Simple fixes like cleaning condenser coils are often straightforward. However, improper DIY attempts can cause further damage to the refrigerator. Professional service is recommended for complex issues like electrical faults and refrigerant problems. These require specialized tools and certifications to avoid safety risks or warranty violations. Future refrigerators will feature predictive maintenance through IoT technology, providing early alerts for potential issues like fan failures or coil problems. This innovation will significantly reduce the need for repairs and improve overall reliability. On average, successful DIY repairs save $200 to $400 compared to hiring professional service, making them worthwhile for qualified individuals. Frigidaire fridges have a 12% cooling failure rate within 5 years. Condenser coils account for 45% of repairs, evaporator fans 30%, and air dampers 15%. Annual maintenance can prevent 90% of not cooling issues. Start with coil cleaning as the easiest and cheapest fix.